is a touch. What?
You always gonna move.
It's a Hampton made enplus. See him?
That's a job here, boy. While y'all were going.
This shit talking.
He's got his alcohol in his lawn
Turn this
right
off here. So you can see it better.
I can get off. I can get off of work. Payday street.
Here it is. It's kind of dark.
Is that called stone?
No.
Beer?
It's kind
Did
of
you
dark
drink
here.
beer when you had the stones?
Yeah.
You know what Peggy told me?
Oh yeah.
You know what Peggy told me?
Beer. When you had
The top
I don't think so. Before he
got
had
that
it, he was
line on
drinking
it.
it.
when you had the stone, you had what? I mean, like from.
So made in USA.
Come on.
I love this band so much. It's in this chair, look at it. Inside under my sink is for other fans. But it's quite dark in the camera. I don't know. I'll fix it. Bye. Now, camera's fixed now. Have the other fans, you can see them better. That's my Oshio. That's my Hemicops. That's my topping it, and the the enplus.
I need to get water. Move.
What's the matter?
Oh, first you gotta get water. Just to see everything. Get out the background.
I'm not in the background. I'm in the front ground.
Yeah,
You're not going by my mom.
spin it. It's
You
kind
going
of
by my
wobbly.
mom?
You used to be hanging right here with duct tape and it rips the paint off and put it here.
Mama,
They said, I never quit this.
mama,